To make a second Cash App account, you need to have a new phone number and email address that are not associated with your existing Cash App account. Start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store if you have not already done so. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up. Enter your new phone number and verify it using the code sent by Cash App. Create a new email address if you do not already have one, and use it to sign up for the new account. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is required to comply with federal regulations and to help keep your account secure. After providing the necessary information, you will be prompted to link a bank account or debit card to your new Cash App account. You can do this by selecting the type of account you want to link and following the prompts to enter your account details. It is essential to note that you can only have one Cash App account per social security number, so you cannot create multiple accounts using the same social security number. Additionally, using fake information or trying to create multiple accounts can result in your accounts being suspended or terminated. To avoid any issues, make sure to use accurate and up-to-date information when creating your new account. Also, be aware that Cash App has certain limits and restrictions on new accounts, such as lower sending and receiving limits, until your account is verified. In conclusion, making a second Cash App account requires a new phone number and email address, and you must provide accurate personal information to comply with federal regulations. By following these steps and guidelines, you can create a new Cash App account and start using it to send and receive money.